Hello, this is a chip on board LED strip, a flexible strip. You can see its flexibility. It can custom in a variety of lengths, colors, color temperature, and the width also can be custom. Also, if you like the different shapes, we can custom too. This one is the color of red, yellow, blue. So we can make the different colors, single color, double color, RGB, UV, or any you want. So let me know your cool ideas about the flexibility strip, and let me make only for you. Thank you.